I'm Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. Today, I've got you covered with a quick and easy guide to claiming your BlueParrott warranty. So, are you ready? Buckle up and join me for a step-by-step walkthrough to make your claim effortless. Let's get started. Before we begin, take a moment to carefully read and follow each step. This will ensure a smooth and hassle-free claim experience. Following that, you can find the contact information such as email address, phone number 262-732-2109. Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. EST, and address. Visit the first link www.blueparrott.com/support. Scroll to the bottom of the page. There, you'll find options like Register your product and warranty to register your product and check warranty terms. If you prefer direct assistance, you can contact the product support team using the provided number. They may send a form to your email requesting an 11-digit serial number, the date code, starting with W, usually found on the box, a picture of the serial number or date code, and a copy of the proof of purchase. Provide all the required information in the form and submit the claim. You will receive a reply within 2 to 3 business days. The team will review your claim and assist with any warranty issues. Once your claim is approved, your replacement will be shipped within a few days after you return the defective product. Before we conclude, remember that if you run into any difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.